the first time I saw you. I was at Advani ji's house and
Yes.
you had come in and you were like, मुझे बहुत भूख लग रही है, मुझे बहुत भूख लग रही है. So Kamla ji said that अभी खाना लग रहा है, and you said, I'm pregnant, I'm hungry. And so she said, मत बताओ यहाँ पे journalists. This is the second baby you were pregnant
I
with.
think that auntie was being very protective.
Yeah.
I think one of my greatest joys has been, I've been at the dining table with Atalji's family, with at times the NSA then walking in. You know, I've seen all that, and I was what, 25, 26.
Yeah. You're very young, I know.
I was. And I remember I was shooting something, and we call him Babji. And I remember he was then the Prime Minister.
Yeah.
And I was supposed to be home for dinner. And I was shooting something in Lakshmi Studio in Noida, what is currently Noida. And I was shooting again an anchor-based show, pregnant with my baby. And for me, it was Babji. But for the country, he's the Prime Minister of India. And I remember me not landing up because I was shooting a stock for my producer so that after I have the baby, I get a 10-day break. I didn't know the producer was making me shoot through the last day of my pregnancy so that he could replace me.
Oh.
So I got sacked. I made the stock and they sacked me because they wanted somebody who was very glamorous or somebody who doesn't have a baby. So I've been through all that. And in the middle of all that, I suddenly realized that I'm late for dinner. Now, I'm not telling anybody who I'm having dinner with because the whole family is waiting. And Shruti nahi aayi hai. And I remember it's like 8:45, 9 o'clock or something, and not eaten all day. And I get a call and Babji's on the other line. And he's like, aren't you supposed to eat? So Babji, listen, this is like, I have to work. I have a contract. And, I need to kind of do this. Otherwise, I'm making sure that I have a job. I think what is fascinating is that I'm speaking to the Prime Minister, but I'm telling him I need to protect my turf. Because I'm having a baby, I need to afford it. I have to pay a house loan. And he's very patiently listening to all this. इसे कहाँ भेजूँ? मैंने कहा नहीं कुछ मत भेजना है यहाँ पे, वरना पता चल जाएगा कि मैं आपको जानती हूँ. So I said, पता नहीं चलना चाहिए.
Most women would be showing off that the Prime Minister's house did.
I never did. I'm
But
very
weren't
happy.
you already in politics by then?
I was.
You were.
I was. But like I said, I've had an ideological relationship which went beyond politics with the organization, many organizational leaders. And I'd worked in the VHP. I'd worked here, Sector 8 mein, there is a establishment of the RSS. So I'd pitter-pattered around. Many people knew that, but not people in the mainstream at that time. To say you're a Swayam Sevak in the media is a death knell for your career. So I was also advised, bolna mat, naukri chali jayegi. And I still remember after 1 hour, somebody knocking on the studio door to say, iska khana aaya hai.
He said.
And the producer was livid. Ki, what is this? It's a very well-known producer. Say, kya hai? Khana aaya matlab kya hai? Abhi ye 1 ghanta free nahi hai. And that's when the guy stepped up and said, listen, I am coming from here and here. And I need to deliver the food to her, then I can go. That's the first time the producer knew. आपने पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? I said, अरे क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है? So there were 4 anchors, 4 programs that we were doing for the producer. One was anchored by me, another one was by Veer Sanghvi, another one was by Karan Thapar, another one was by a lady. And for me it was like just a regular job.
Click here to watch the full episode.